guys, what is up? It's Jason again. Welcome to another video. Today we are gonna talk about the Meepo Hurricane Ultra. First things I want to talk about are the trucks. I've tried both the DKP and TKPs. The double kingpin trucks definitely turn sharper. It's more difficult to turn using traditional kingpin trucks, but they are super stable cruising at high speeds. And if you loosen up a lot, you will find they also have the coverability and great control when turning. No one would ride a DKP this loose, but with TKP, I feel like you could ride like that. I would definitely recommend TKP. That's personal preference, of course, but if you want to go full throttle regularly, definitely get the TKPs. The deck is 40 inches long and 10 inches wide. It's made out of bamboo and fiberglass. It has a nice concave and the bamboo is nice for absorbing bumps and having that classic longboard feel. I love they left some of the bamboo coming through between the grid tape. Looks way better than being completely covered. Well, kind of sad Meepo didn't go with foam grid tape for their Ultra. I've gotta say with TKP, this deck just has the perfect amount of effects. I like the TKP a little bit better because it makes the deck not as flexy, so it's not as bouncy in ride. Bamboo deck with DKP, it's a little bit too flexible. I did not get any wobbles at top speed with DKP, but I felt like I was losing control. With DKP, I would go with the carbon deck. The enclosure is a flex enclosure. It's the traditional case on the bottom sealed with rubber, and it looks really premium. I felt the gear drive accelerated a bit faster. It has more torque, feels more instant compared to the standard belt drive using the same wheel size. It has really nice power. It's a little bit noisier, but not too much noisier. I love the sounds of those gear drive. I know some people thought gear drive hasn't been out long enough to know how long they will last. But actual gear drive is not a new technology at all. DIY people have used it for years and it's one of the best options. The only reason it wasn't common is because of its higher cost. I've ridden a few boards with gear drive and it's just better. And you never have to worry about the belt tensioning, belt snapping, pebbles getting inside the motor pulleys. But for someone who wants a board that is able to swap from all-terrain tires to street wheels, this is not the option for you. With the gear drive system, you can only fit certain size tires. It's not possible to drop street wheels on them at this moment. Tubeless tires are the best because, well, you won't have to worry about pop tubes. They are not as soft as tubeless tires, but you can lower the tire pressure so the tubeless tires can eat up more of those vibrations. And bamboo deck also helps absorbing some bumps. The tubeless tires are so thick they don't ever lose grip. I can cover real deep without losing grip. I'm a big fan of those tires. The remote is the same new M5S remote that they are using for the Meepo Voyager. Some people love it, some people don't. I'm actually really like it. It has 4 speed modes. Speed mode 1 and 2 are smooth, while speed mode 3 and 4 are quite aggressive. It has lots of power. You can still feel the kick when you accelerate for 20 miles per hour. The brakes are adjustable. You can change the brake modes like how you can change the speed mode. It has 4 braking modes. Brake mode 4 is stronger than most boards. The tubeless tire's wide contact patch really gives you that confidence when you accelerate and brake. I know some people feel that Voyager is a bit jerky. I did not feel that way. I feel the Voyager is quite smooth. Of course, it's not as smooth as those boards using Harbor Wing ESC, but it's not jerky at all. And luckily, the Hurricane Ultra is smoother than the Voyager. But the battery percentage on the remote definitely isn't that accurate. The first half was crazy slow, then the last half was much faster. But as long as you know the range and 0 trip odometer, you should be fine. This board is powered by a 691 Wh/h 12V battery and comes with a 4.5 amp charger. On Hurricane Ultra, Meepo brought back Samsung 40 cells instead of new model cell. I don't know why they made this change, but 40T is also a great cell. The batteries are very similar, hardly the difference. 40T is still one of the best you can get, and I still got a great range. I got about 29 miles range using a combo of speed mode 2 and 3. The average speed was 17 miles per hour. It was a carry ride on flag 1. You know many things can affect the range. I'm lightweight and the temperature is pretty warm in my city. I always get high ranges. The top speed that I was able to get on this wheel setup was 29 miles per hour. I tested the top speed when the remote showed 3 bars battery left. You should get a bit higher top speed if the battery is fully charged. Bamboo deck, traditional camping truck, skill drive, and tubeless tires is the best combo in my opinion. Is it the best combo for everyone? No, totally depends on your riding style, and we all have our different preferences. It's really nice to have so many different options. If you want a better waterproofing, get the carbon deck. If you like street wheels, get the belt drive. You will definitely find the best combo for you, and Meepo's price is always incredible for the performance level. Alright, thank you guys for watching. This is my quick review on Hurricane Ultra. Please leave a comment down below if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe if you want some more content about electric skateboards, and I'll see you guys in the next video.